built for the Backblaze AI Media Hackathon. Here is the problem it solves. Every student has a recording PDF they never probably use. Rewatching 1 hour lecture is a painful. Reading 100 pages of PDF in the exam time, it's actually painful and there is no time to read. What is actually it is whatever your like PDFs or media PDFs and MPV and MVP micro is there, it will be converted into the slides. Important topic, it will be converted into slides, and after the slides it will be generated as the how the teacher can understand. It will be generated like that. Let's go into this is now I will upload the PDF. It will be extracted, it will be go to the Backblaze B2 Storage model, then it will be extracted the information of that. Mainly it will be converted, whatever PDF we share, it will be converting. Wait a moment. Now it will be converted. Let's identify the topic. What is in this identify the topics? This sends to the Groq to identify what is the important topic in this PDF. It will be extracted from that as an important point. You cannot read that much. See, it will be extracted as a 5 important type. Let's generate the slides. It's taking the time to generate the slides. What did the slide? Now slides will be generating for each photography using the models, and actually it will be not only giving the topic, it giving the real photography also to understand better way to the students. And each slide built by with the fellow topic numbers and the concept explanation, key points, and highlighting the key fact of the bottom. Let's see. Cases, deforestation causes, and all fly slides are saved. It's saved on the JSON, and back to the session. Now let's generate the teacher video. What does this basically? It is the most important part. What happens in this? Whatever your slide will be generated, it will be understanding that how the teachers will be teaches the students to understand the like way to give the examples, all the like that. It will be giving like that to understanding the way. It will be generating. Let's wait for a moment. See this, it will be generated as a video link summarization. You can see this, it will be generated as a 7.5 minutes video. Let's download this. It will be teacher as a
Welcome to our class on Introduction to Environment and Natural Resources. I'm thrilled to have you here today to explore this fascinating topic with me. So, let's start with the basics. What do you think the environment means? You might have an idea of what it is, but let's break it down together. The environment is essentially the sum total of water, air, land, and the interrelationships that exist among them and with human beings, other living organisms, and materials. It's a complex system that requires knowledge and information from various disciplines like science, social science, law, and engineering. Think of it this way. Imagine you're on a hike in the woods, surrounded by trees, birds, and a gentle stream. The environment is all that you see, hear, and feel in that moment. It's the air you breathe, the water you drink, and the soil beneath your feet. But it's also so much more than that. The environment is influenced by our actions, and it affects.
Giving the real world examples to explain the concept of the students. Let's bringing
a cause of environmental degradation. And we need to be mindful of our actions that affect the environment. Water logging can be controlled by preventing excess irrigation and using good quality water. Non-renewable sources of energy are finite resources that will eventually run out, while renewable sources of energy are sustainable and can be replenished naturally. I hope this has given you a good understanding of the environment and natural resources. Remember, every action we take affects the environment, and it's up to us to be responsible stewards of the earth. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I look forward to exploring more topics with you in the coming lessons.
explain like a teacher, giving the examples to the student to understand. This is the way very important to stand out our project. What basically about this project is, you should not only upload the PDF, you should upload anything, videos, long videos. It will be converted into slides, and it will be whatever its slides will be converted. Based on that, it will be generated as a video. Every single output will be stored on the Backblaze B2. Original files, extracted topics and JSON, images, trending script, narrow videos, all the things. The whole, that's a LectureSnap, upload everything, understand everything. Thank you for that.